rolling, rolling, rolling.
Adjective. 1.
Characterized by reverberation.
2.
Uttered with a trill.
3.
Moving in surges and billows and rolls.
Noun. 1.
A deep prolonged sound, as of thunder or large bells.
2.
The act of robbing a helpless person.
3.
Propelling something on wheels.
Listen and practice.
He was charged with rolling drunks in the park. He was charged with rolling drunks in the park. She used rolling R's as in Spanish. She used rolling R's as in Spanish. The rolling fog. The rolling sea. The rolling fog. The rolling sea.
Rolling.